Good morning. Everybody made it through the big storm we had. It was our first big rain since we got them, and they did really great. No leaks or anything in their coop. Oh, girls. It's off and on cloudy, but we're trying to get some sunshine on our feathers, huh, girls? Yeah. Look what I found today. Lemons. Some of them are getting yellow already. And some are babies. Yay! We're gonna have a bunch this year. That's exciting news. There are some that are almost yellow. Thank you, tree. Oh, girls. Yeah. The other thing we did was add some netting to the top of their run on this side because they kept flapping out, huh, Sally? Yeah, you kept flapping out. Dad didn't like that. He says the raptors are loose. So now they're safe and nothing big can swoop in and get them. We have hawks out here. We saw a hawk swoop down and get a mouse the other day. So yeah, we're just gonna be on the safe side. Come on. They sure are happy to be out of their coop for a while though, after that big storm. Get some bugs.